happened here?
Help! I am stuck!
Momo! What happened? I was looking for my toy car. Huh? Oh no! The mess monster! Let's defeat the mess monster!
Yes!
Let's clean!
My favorite red racing car is missing!
Don't worry, Momo. We will find it.
Maybe my car is sleeping here. Oh!
Maybe my car is inside the toy box. Huh?
I found it! Oh, it is only a shoe.
Your shoe wanted to play too. Momo, your toys are not lost.
Then where are they?
They are under these clothes, mixed with all your books, and scattered everywhere.
I understand now.
What did you learn?
Everything needs its own home.
Wait, did you hear that?
Hear what?
Oh no! Look at the mess!
Is someone hiding there? Huh?
Hello! I am the mess monster!
Huh?
You're the monster? I grow bigger when kids forget to clean.
Then good habits can stop you. Everyone ready?
Ready!
Try to catch me!
Books belong on the shelf.
Books need a safe home too.
Here you go, Momo. Let's put them away.